Hi, my name is Megan Coles, and the math routine that I have chosen for this assignment is math journaling. I love the idea of math journaling because it supports students in learning new materials and then converting the new material to long-term memory. It also pertains to both writing and math, so it's cross-curriculum. So here's an example of one that I came up with. It uses a composition book and a cover for it. Sharing our ideas and taking time to write them out support metacognition. Another benefit to math journaling is it pertains to self-assessment. As with any other routine, it will need to be explicitly taught and modeled for students before it becomes a routine. So, inside, one of the first things that I included was a list of sentence starters for kids who need it. So I'll read you off a few of those items. Some examples of sentence starters are: the first thing I did was blank. Something that is important to remember is I compared. Today's lesson helped me to understand. The strategy that helped me to blank. I would use this in real life when blank. In a career where this skill would be helpful, maybe blank. So that also helps in that higher level thinking. Also on the inside, I have put a table of contents. So math journaling is useful in that it activates prior knowledge and allows students to refer to past skills if necessary. Students also have the opportunity to practice new vocabulary. It also helps students to practice organization and work towards self-reliance. So they're coming to the teacher and always asking, and I remember how to do this. So hopefully it might cut back on some of those questions, and they have this tool that they can refer back to. So the example questioned pertains to a third grade math standard, which is recognize and generate simple equivalent fractions. Explain why the fractions are equivalent by using a visual fraction model. So I'll show you what I came up with. Here it is. And I'll read it also. It says, write two fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. Explain using pictures and words with how you know they are equivalent. So again, here's a picture. There's a space for them to draw and then space for them to write. Patterns with visual models help students to reason and justify why two fractions are equivalent. And according to our textbook, the Common Core Mathematics Companion, procedures or algorithms is not an expectation of third grade. So hence, that's why there was a space for them to draw and also to write out using those sentence starters if needed. Thank you for watching, and hopefully it was helpful.